Many times, you've taken a photo and realized that your product image has reflections or your lighting was off. Perhaps you've photographed metallic objects like gold and jewelry and noticed your reflection or photography lights in the surface. Today, we're going to talk about this issue. Hi, welcome to the Next Mentor channel. On this channel, we talk about the world of graphic design, advertising, and media. In today's tutorial, we'll be editing a photo of gold and jewelry. To begin, we'll use the Object Selector tool to separate the product's background and add a background of our desired color. After selecting the tool, click on your product and wait for the AI to make the selection. Next, go to the original layer and press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the selected part in a new layer. Create a blank layer. Use the Paint Bucket tool to fill the blank layer with your desired color. Here, I'm choosing white as the background color. After selection, you might notice that parts of your image didn't get removed properly. Use the Eraser tool to clean up any excess areas. If there are any leftover curved shapes, you can use tools like the pen tool to remove them. Here's a quick tip. If you want to delete a straight path, click at the start of the path, hold Shift, and click at the end. The software will automatically select the line between the 2 points. Now, let's fix the product's lighting. First, select the product layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the top menu, select Image Adjustments Shadows/Highlights, and check Show More options. Adjust the shadows to make the product brighter and more vibrant. You can also tweak the color or adjust the midtones as needed. Next, I'll use the Curves Adjustment layer to enhance the lighting because the product appears dim and slightly dark. Switch the edited layers on and off to check the progress of your edits. The final step is to remove reflections and unwanted light on the transparent parts of the product. Create a blank layer, select the brush tool, set the opacity to 100%, and change the mode to lighten. For golden areas, sample the gold color and paint over the reflected areas with the brush. Adjust the layer's opacity to get the desired look. Once the opacity is finalized, convert the layer to a smart object. From the top menu, go to Filter Noise, Add Noise, and adjust the noise levels on the brushed areas. For this image, a value of 4 works well. Repeat this process for pearl parts in the image. Brush over them. Reduce opacity. Convert to a smart object, and add noise. Finally, I'll prepare this image for Instagram by cropping it to a 1:1 square ratio. In the last step, use tools like curves or color balance to adjust the final colors and lighting to your liking. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this helpful in your work. What do you think about this tutorial? Do you have any other solutions to share? Let me know your thoughts in the comments so I can learn from you. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tutorials. And if there's a specific tutorial you'd like, let me know in the comments so I can create a video for it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.